Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by making connectivity decisions. Pick the same Wi-Fi network for both devices because Airplay needs local discovery. Once done, update the Android TV OS and the screen receiver app so compatibility is current. Make sure Airplay or the built-in receiver is enabled in Android TV settings. This opens the port for incoming streams. You're doing this first to avoid pairing errors later. So prepare the devices now and proceed to the next step when both show ready status. Now you'll actually connect. Open Control Center on your iPhone or click the Airplay icon on your Mac because that's where casting is triggered. Choose the Android TV device listed. If multiple entries appear, pick the one matching the room name. When the TV shows a 4-digit code, type it into your phone or Mac to authenticate. This prevents accidental taps from strangers. Make sure mirroring versus streaming is set correctly, since mirroring duplicates the whole screen, while streaming sends only selected media. Finish by tweaking playback. Adjust orientation, volume, and any app-specific casting settings so the picture fills the screen and audio routes correctly. When you're done, stop Airplay from Control Center or use the TV's disconnect option to free the connection. If things go wrong, try a targeted restart. Reboot the Android TV, the phone or Mac, and your router, then reinstall the receiver app if needed. This clears discovery caches and often fixes stubborn pairing or lag issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.